Alright, my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, look over here. This is all you're gonna need. Tell me what me I gonna make. Some Jamaican ton cornmeal. It's nothing about no turn cornmeal. Yeah, you can spell it away there, but Jamaican pronounce it as ton cornmeal. Alright, so I have a pot here, alright? First, we're gonna get straight down into the video. I have about half onions, and this is about 2 tablespoons of butter. Dump it in there because you want it melt. You want the onion burn. I have some crushed garlic. I use 1 peg and 1 stalk of scallion. You can add more if you have it. I just want this to fry up just a little bit. Guys, this recipe is Marcy's recipe. Who is Marcy? Sylvia. Who is Sylvia? My mama from country. Alright? Yeah. Up in the hills of St. James. Yeah. My mama said to add some saltfish. Alright? I did it before and I don't add any saltfish. But this time I'm going to add saltfish. I soak it already. I did not boil it because I'm going to boil it down to get a little bit of the salt. So I'm not gonna add no salt to this thing. So I soak it few times in hot water and then I'm gonna pour it in so it can fry up a little bit. Whoever tries saltfish in a ton cornmeal, my mama did. My blended seasoning with my pimento, my thyme, my garlic, my onion, my scallion, all of this goodness here still. Alright, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. This amount is good, and I'm gonna add it there. If you have pepper, you can cut up a few pieces of pepper in it, all right, which I'm gonna cut up a little bit. I have half pack of coconut cream, and it's this one, all right. I'm gonna dump it in because it will melt after, guys. Don't worry about it. Now I'm gonna add a full can of coconut milk, English. There it is, guys. Add the whole can. And now, guys, I'm gonna go in with about 2 cups of water. 1, 2, about that. Some mixed vegetable. Alright. And I'm gonna put in this bag, it's about a cup and a half, and I'm gonna put all of it. And I have 2.5 cups of cornmeal here, and I'm gonna add it after. I'm gonna put 1 Maggi stock in it. Just break it up. It's gonna give it some flavor. If you have cock soup, guys, you can put about half pack of cock soup in it. Alright, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. Alright, guys, once it comes to a boil and you have this goodness, please turn my daughter to hold the phone. Alright, and this is the cornmeal. So what you want to do, you want to pour it and mix as you pour. Alright, so you don't get any lumps. Alright, guys. So guys, when you mix it like this, this is the goodness you want. Alright. So guys, when you get it like this, this is how you want it. Alright. But this is too dry. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with about half cup of water, and you want to make it moist, not too moist, but moist enough. Okay, I'm gonna cover it for about 20-25 minutes without touching it, and then I'm gonna come back and stir it. All right, guys. Woo! So this is about 20 minutes in. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Can you see this, guys? Ooh. I'm gonna let it simmer for another, say, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and this should be all done. All right, I'm gonna cover it. Turn your stove way down, just let it simmer. All right, and after about 50 minutes, or you can let it go up to about an hour, this is what we have. I'll show you. Look at that goodness, guys. Can you see that? Juicy. Whoa. Let me taste this. Yeah. I couldn't wait, guys. I could not wait. All right, I'm gonna plate up some, guys. I'm using one hand. Over here I cook some curry and I have some leftovers. Well, not leftovers, I eat just some out of it. Can you see the goodness here? Yes. All right, so I'm just gonna try to fill this just to create a little style. Make sure you get it all good in there so it don't fall down, okay, guys? Ha ha! Oh yeah, oh yeah. So guys, I have some curry and I'm gonna plate it in the middle. Just put one more piece at the front. Push that over a little bit and that's it. Look at it, guys, so juicy. I'm gonna dive right in. Look how pretty it is on the plate. And guys, I have some parsley. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit just for decoration, not too much, just a little bit. Oh yes, baby, that's it. Look at that goodness, guys. Real Jamaican cornmeal with saltfish and coconut milk, serve up with some curry chicken. Yes, guys, yes. Love upon me and I love upon you. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for other awesome Jamaican recipe. Country girl, yeah, country living. So guys, I'm out back and I just want to show you when the light hit the cornmeal. Yeah, the sunlight hit the cornmeal, guys. Look at that goodness. Yes, 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 guys. That's the goodness there, guys. Yes, yes, guys.